2 minutes of information, entertainment, and events. This is the Daily 2.
Hi, and welcome to the Daily 2. It's not every day you choose to replace your home's windows and doors, so it's smart to choose a company you can trust. Fortunately, Ted and Jonathan with Infinity from Marvin by North Georgia Replacement Windows are here to help. So how are you making window shopping simple for homeowners?
Great question, Jen. From the consultation all the way through the installation, our goal is to always do the right thing. Your stress-free experience includes a quick, accurate proposal without pressure and pricing games, and your detailed window installation will also be quick, clean, and hassle-free.
Can you share with us the advantages of using the Infinity Fiberglass windows?
Yes, these windows are beautiful. They're not big and bulky like most replacement windows, so the frames are narrow. That allows for more daylight and bigger views from your home. Plus, the Ultrex fiberglass material is so durable, outperforms all other windows, especially in the harsh Georgia climate. So the beauty, the views, and the durability.
And I've heard you say that you only have to make this decision once. Why is that?
It is. We've offered almost every other window type in the past: wood-clad, PVC, composite, vinyl, plastic windows. And we've experienced and seen the problems with those windows. Engineered to last and backed by a limited lifetime product and service warranty, Infinity Fiberglass windows are a choice you only need to make once.
And I understand you've got some specials for our viewers.
Yes, if you visit the special section of our webpage, we always keep that up to date with the best offers. And we've also partnered with some finance companies to help make your next window and door project more affordable.
Ted, Jonathan, thank you so much. To schedule your free consultation, visit them online at NGWindows.com. I'm Jen Hobby with the Daily 2.